Hi everyone, happy Art Friday. Today we are going to do a project that incorporates art with nature. So I want to first start by watching a video about an artist named Richard Schilling. He's what's called a land artist. So watch the different materials that he uses. British land artist Richard Schilling used art installations from the natural environment. He was first inspired by early pioneers of land art such as Andy Goldsworthy and Bill Lamb. Those are two also very famous artists that use nature to create artwork. By creating outside of nature, Schilling is redefining what we understand to be art. He is focused on creating art that cannot be owned or bought. Schilling often creates site-specific installations for festivals around the world. So that means he travels and he uses natural materials that he finds on location. So he doesn't really know what his artwork is going to be until he gets there. Each work of art highlights the ever-changing beauty of nature. So you'll see how his artwork blows in the wind, it moves with the water, it interacts with the environment that it's in. This video is done in reverse just to show how temporary his artwork is. You can see the design he drew in sand, but as the tide rolls up, it erases it forever. Just looking at this, there's something very peaceful about the way each leaf is put in a certain spot. Very cool. See also he uses a lot of basic shapes, circles, rectangles, lots of lines. Very simple triangle shapes. And the spiral. The spiral is very big in land art. Andy Goldsworthy, the other artist that they mentioned in the beginning, he's very famous for his spirals. Okay, so I just wanted to share that video. I thought it was really neat to see the different kinds of land artwork that Richard Schilling does and just get you to understand how temporary land art is. You're using materials in nature and the wind blows it away, the water takes it away. It's temporary artwork. So our project for today is I want you to go outside, enjoy the beautiful weather that we're having, and create an artwork, pattern, or design using only things you find in nature. So take a walk around your backyard. Look, see what you find. Do you have blades of grass that maybe you could pull a few out to make something with? Do you have rocks, little pebbles? Do you have red leaves, green leaves, any color leaves from a tree, leaves from a bush maybe, dandelions? Do you have any sticks or twigs, flower petals maybe? Just take a look at your yard or surrounding anything outside and see what materials you have to work with, and then create an artwork, a pattern, or design. So I have a few examples of some land artworks. Um, it could be big, it could be small. That's up to you. Whatever you're feeling when you go outside, let the nature inspire you to create your artwork. Okay, could be something that you interact with. How you see this girl made herself an umbrella with leaves, and now she's laying pretending that she is underneath the umbrella. I thought that was cool. It could be something realistic. You know, we have a person here that they made from blades of grass, some twigs, leaves, rocks, and two little dandelion eyes, which are cute. Or it could be something more abstract. You see the spiral pattern again. Something really simple as, you know, filling the cracks between boards with dandelions, right? It's a nice, peaceful, land, nature inspired artwork. The possibilities are really endless. Um, it depends what things you find when you're outside looking around and how creative you want to be. Okay. And as always, when you are finished, please take a picture of your land artwork and email it to me. And I have a surprise. I will get to see you guys next week when we all go back to school. I will be able to be there for a little bit of time on Fridays. So I will make sure that I stop in and say hi to each and every one of you. I have missed seeing you in person so much, so much. So I'm so excited and I cannot wait. All right, bye guys. I can't wait to see your artwork.